Alright guys, I got some structural columns here, some angle clips. Gonna make some stuff with that. Alright, right here on the table we got the plates. We're getting ready to fabricate some stuff. This is my little drawing that I have drawn out. We'll make this, we'll make that, we'll make this, we'll make that. Okay? Show you how we do this. Let's get that top in there. Flush. Center flush. Get ready to roll it in. So we just took the wire wheel here, this basic wire wheel. Just wire wheel down the sides. Got the rust off the area. Cleaned on around to make a nice weld. Could have used this flap disc. Take off some of the mill scale here, but it's not going to concern me or be on my lip. If you want to take off the mill scale, this is what it will look like. Nice and shiny, clean, no gray. I got right in my weld joint, right in that groove, so that can be welded, okay? Mill scale on, mill scale off, okay? Those are the welds in there. Continuous welds all the way around. Nice and clean, nice and steady. Again, nice clean welds. Nice wire wheel clean and finish. On this column is all set to go. Okay, wire wheel it down, clean it up, and then we'll paint it. She's ready to go out.